Greetings. In this video, I want to tell you if your washing machine, while you're washing clothes, if the water level that you have the setting on should be high or low. Now, this is an older washing machine, but I don't care if you got a brand new one made in 2025. It's the same concept. So, the answer to your question is if you got a lot of clothes, yes, you want the setting to be high with a lot of clothes. Now, a lot of people think it would be the opposite, that you wouldn't have as much room for water, but that's not the case. You want the water to go over the clothes in order to start washing and to get good friction to actually clean the clothes. So right now, this washing machine is like halfway full, if you can see. In this kind of setting, with this amount of clothes, being that's halfway up the washing machine, I would put it on high. I would not put it on medium, because you'd never want to fill a washing machine up all the way to the top. You're kind of not really doing a good service to your clothes. It's not going to wash well. Now, in contrast, if I only have let's say I only have like 2 articles of clothing in here, you'd want to set the washing machine to low. If I took a few articles of clothing out of here and it was down to like maybe a third of the way up, I'd probably would put it on medium, like that. Keep in mind, you want to have at least a few articles of clothing in. You don't really want to do only one piece of clothing. The reason is because when you're washing, the clothes will actually use each other as friction to clean the dirt and the grime off. If you only have one article of clothing in there, I'm sorry to show you my underwear, it's not going to do a good job cleaning. The clothes actually use each other as friction to clean. So again, if you got a lot of clothes, you want the water level to be high. If you don't have that many clothes, just a few articles, you want it to be low. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.